Hello, peeps. It's your favorite buddy. Today, product review is going to be cup of noodle stir fry hot garlic chicken flavored. Now, you do not want to see the specs on this. This one container is 370 calories. Let's see, total fats is 13 grams, saturated fat 6, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 950 milligrams of sodium, outrageous. 54 grams of carbs. If you live on a low carb diet, this is definitely not for you. Or if you're diabetic. Dietary fiber 6, total sugar 6, including 2 sugars added. Protein 9 grams, no vitamin D, 40 milligrams of calcium, 3.3 milligrams of iron, and 230 milligrams of potassium. That is what is in this suicide meal. But it claims it has no MSG, but it's still not healthy. It's stir-fried Asian-style noodles in sauce. I'm going to turn on my handy-dandy heater over here. It's going to heat up some water. And we're going to do a quick taste test. But before we do that, I'm going to open it up and do a quick sniff to see what it smells like. Actually, what it smells like before we actually get into the nitty-gritty. Oh, wow. That smells really spicy. And when I say spicy, I don't mean like hot. It smelled well seasoned. Lots of seasons in there. So let's wait for this water to brew up. Okay. You can hear that? That sounds hot. I'm going to fill it up until it is right slightly above the noodles. We're going to close it up. Right? All standard noodles. And give it a couple of minutes to marinate in its own fat. It doesn't smell bad. It has almost like a garlic-y smell to it. It's not so far so good. It doesn't smell too bad. We will soon see what the taste test gives. It's still marinating. Okay, folks, so it's ready. Doesn't smell bad, but while I was sitting here waiting for it to marinate, and I threw it in the microwave for a few seconds to speed up the process, but there's something I saw on here that kind of didn't make me feel too comfortable. And I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. Let's see if we can get you to see it. It says contain bioengineered food ingredients. What in the Sam Dickens is bio? Let's not even talk about it because I may not want to try this. So, it actually isn't bad at all for food that's extremely unhealthy. There's no question you can taste the garlic in it. But I don't know where the chicken is. I know it said this garlic chicken flavor. I taste more garlic than chicken. But, it's actually not bad at all. That is not bad. But I'm not really sure why they call it stir-fried noodles because it looks like a standard udon noodle cup. There's nothing spectacular about it, other than it tastes. It's more like you eating a garlic cup of udon noodles. But it's not bad. This is probably not very healthy. Too much sodium, way too many carbs. I don't really care for the bioengineering. That kind of scares me. And the calories, this is 370 calories. That's a lot of calories in such a small dish. And it doesn't have enough vitamins and minerals for your body. So this is what I would call wasted calories. Calories that you put on that's never going to benefit your body. Is just calories that's going to put on weight because it's going to leave you empty and unsatisfied. But eating it, you might enjoy it because, like I said, especially if you like garlic, and I kind of do. It's not bad. So, health-wise, I would give this like a 2. This is not healthy. Diabetics, people on restrictive diets, do not. If you want to try it, just to try it, but this is not something you should be eating because it's completely unhealthy. Taste-wise, I'd give it a 6. It's okay. I wouldn't go out and break my neck and go buy this again. I just got them because they were on sale, 2 for $3. But for the young college student that just wants something different, I guess you can eat this. But people my age and older or younger, I would stay away from this. This is not healthy at all. But it is cheap. And it's not bad. It's not great. That's why I gave it a 6. But and health-wise, I only gave it a 2 at best. But give it a shot. Let me know. Post in the comment. Give it a shot. Tell me what you think of it. Hey, nay, yay. You tell me. Till next time, family. You take care of yourself.